How to avoid copyright claims on YouTube when using Canva Pro. That's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video, so you want to stick up to the very end so you can learn more. So I am one of those people who uses Canva Pro to create YouTube faceless videos. And as you can see here, this is my Canva Pro account. You can see here, Eve's team. Canva Pro, and I've used it severally to make YouTube faceless videos, which I post on my various channels. And one thing I love about Canva Pro is that it's very easy to use, and you don't even have to use a lot of time or spend extra money on top of what you pay on a monthly basis. So most recently, I noticed that every time I created a video on Canva Pro and I used the audio and posted it on my link, I could get a copyright claim, and I was wondering what's happening. So you can see, for example, this video here that I posted in the Over 40 TV show, 4 benefits of lemon peel. You can see there's a copyright claim here. I published this video on 22nd of July and there was a copyright claim. So let's check the details. So you can see here that my channel is not affected. Everyone can see the video. However, so this channel is not yet eligible for monetization. But you can see here, YouTube has given me options of what I need to do. So here I'm being told to select an action, and the copyright owner is Epidemic Sound. But by virtue of me having purchased Canva Pro, I should be able to ideally use this video without getting any copyright. So I'm supposed to choose an action, either to replace the song, to mute it, or to dispute. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do. But I went through Canva's website on the help section, canva.com, help verify music, and they talk about what you need to do to avoid content ID claims. So basically, there's something I should have done at the beginning that I didn't do. I'm supposed to connect my social media or video platform account where I'll post the pro audio before posting it. So ideally, what I should have done before downloading that particular video, I should have connected my YouTube account with Canva. So let's do that practically so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the video right here. So let's click on it. So the video has opened. So this is the video, potential health benefits of lemon peel. So what you need to do is to go on the share. So up here, there's this share button. Click on it, and then just scroll a little bit down and click on download. Select MP4 video, that is what is suggested. But you will see down here, this is the part I haven't been reading. There's a section here, connect your social accounts. By connecting your social accounts to Canva, your One Design Use Music license will be registered on your accounts. Each time you use this in a new video, export a new design to avoid content claims. So this is what I'm supposed to do. Click on connect YouTube, and then click on connect.